Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of all of the Halloween and fall decorating for today. Just get everything packed away. Also, I have some really good news. We are moving. We are so excited. We're moving into a brand new build, and we are moving in tomorrow, actually. So I'm probably about halfway done packing because I'm a procrastinator, but that's how it goes. So we will be in our new home, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a walkthrough of the new home, and so you can see the layout and all that kind of stuff. So again, we are so excited, and I can't wait to show you guys.
Take whatever that you want, you are free. The moonlight's whispering. Flesh and flesh. Take whatever that you want. Flesh and flesh. Sing your pretty words into my ear, knowing exactly what I wanna hear. For one night only, naked in your arms, I'll do my part if you do yours. So let's flesh attend to flesh. Come alive, come alive. Earth is crying sweet, earth is crying sweet. Take whatever that you want, you are free. The moonlight's whispering. Flesh and flesh. Take whatever that you want. Flesh and flesh. Oh, so let's flesh attend to flesh. Come alive. Earth is crying sweet. You are free. Moonlight's whispering. Come alive. Yeah. Take whatever that you want. You are free. You are free. Yeah.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
I had so much laundry to do on this day. I swear I had to have done about 6 or 8 loads. I had just been running around trying to get everything done as far as closing on the house and stuff for the last week that I didn't have time for anything else. And by the time I realized it, I had so much laundry, I was drowning. So I decided, you know what? I have the camera rolling. That's my cue to go ahead and tackle this laundry, get it folded.
Trust the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. Caught up in the flashing light, keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. 'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why?
So that is going to be it for the video today. It's a shorter one, but I hope I was able to motivate you to tackle something in your home today. Definitely be looking out for my future videos. The next one will be, like I said, the walkthrough of our home. We are first-time homeowners, so the projects that I have in mind and the decorating and I'm just so excited, you guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.
Down on me tight, turn